Hey guys, T the hair doctor. I am here. I have got the Tymo, hope I'm pronouncing it right, don't judge me, blow dryer. So I'm going to open it up. I already have the straightener, so I wanted to try out the blow dryer. So let's see what we have in here. Packaged really nice. Turn it around so you guys can see. All right. It says 4 settings, high-speed digital monitor, sensor temperature control. So it has a lot of different controls to it. So let's get to it. Let's get to unboxing it, y'all. Okay, comes in cute packaging. So this is what is this? Basically just like a welcoming packet, tell you, guess some of the offers and stuff that they have. Comes with that. Basically the manual, how to use it. And here she is. I was wondering if it was going to come with the nozzle because I cannot work without a nozzle. Some people do, but I like to work with a nozzle at all times. It's just something about having that nozzle to control. So nice and sleek, everybody. It looks nice. Cool. And take the plastic off. I really don't want to take the plastic off right now. I'm not, because I'm not using it yet. I'm going to take it to the salon tomorrow. So yeah, I'm going to put it together real quick. So guys, I'm going to take it just, well, I don't even know how to take it off, but I'm not going to take off the plastic. So I'm just going to show you how you attach this nozzle. Just kind of put it on there. And it's kind of like magnetized, actually, almost. Real cool, nice, sleek, guys. Can you see it? Hope you guys can see. I'm trying to see. I can't even see what that says myself, but kind of hold it still, please, Donovan. Not so close. Okay. And I think it has the different settings on here, right up in here. I think this might be it. I'll test it out again. Like, I'll test it out tomorrow on my client. But it has the buttons here. I'm going to turn on the light. Hold on. Okay, so let's see what this stuff does, guys. This little button on the back, I don't know what this for, so let's see. Oh, so I guess it's a different setting. Okay, so this must be, let's see. That's kind of hot, so, and it's not so loud. So sorry you guys couldn't hear over the blow dryer, but it's loud because of course I have it so close to the speaker. But when you're blow drying in the salon, it should be much quieter than the regular one, I would say myself. Pull it down here, right there. That's like a, I guess that's kind of more of a hot temperature. I'm trying to see what these buttons are for. Okay, so that's actually cold. And then this top button over here. Oh, that cools it off a little slower. Okay, so let's see. Now that's hot and cold. And then let's see, let's try again. Let's see. Trying to push the button down. Okay, that's just not good up. So not real loud. It's not really loud, so we will see. I will do a test on it and use it tomorrow at the salon. But yes, guys, I have the Tymo, however you want to pronounce it, blow dryer. And like I said, I have the straightener already. So now I have the pair. We'll see how that works. I'll use it and probably chime in tomorrow to show you guys how it blow dries the hair. Thanks for chiming in. Like and subscribe.